Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video modern attractive girls bob with bangs haircuts designs. Latest and stylish, you will see in this videos unique girls bob with bangs haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. Today you will see in this videos modern 40 plus new outstanding different girls bob with bangs haircuts designs. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this getup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. You will see in these videos modern girls bob with bangs haircuts ideas. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this getup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of new stylish girls haircuts designs, outstanding haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So do you have new ideas of new modern different bob haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring beautiful different haircuts designs. So lovely viewer, I have uploaded front, back and sided pose bob haircuts, flatting bob with bangs haircuts designs, curves bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please